Hello.
I thought it was going to be a phone. I thought it was going to be a photo.
No. Good morning. Welcome
Hello.
to Waggies Travels. We're out and about, and today we have come just onto the Cornwall Devon border. So we're just this side, the right side of England.
Can you turn it round?
Yeah, so if you just bear with me a second, this is our current view. So there is our view. Above us is the Tamar Road Bridge, and to the right of that is Isambard Kingdom Brunel's Bridge. So we are going to have a walk. This could be eventful.
And the river's coming back in.
And the water's coming back in. So yeah, we're going to go out and have a walk around. Well, if you hadn't gathered, we're not actually on the GoPro today, and there's something you don't see every day. There is the Ministry of Defence policeman. They patrol up and down here, obviously, because of the dockyards or ships. Over there, I believe, is where they do the fueling, or where they get the fuel from. The weather is blustery, to say the very least, but that was a bit of a rapid zoom. I do apologise. Anyway, we're the Cornwall side of the Tamar Bridge, and we're going to go for a little walk.
You focus on the plaque. This is Mary Newman's house. She doesn't live there anymore.
Who was she?
She's married to Sir Francis Drake. I don't suppose she saw much of him.
No.
Ideal marriage, really.
Yes.
He paid for the house and sodded off to sea. And she was mayoress of Plymouth.
Died 1582.
So it was a bit much in those days for a woman to be. Was he the mayor then? Is she just mayoress by association? Oh, that's fine. Do you want to swizzle around? Because you can see the Brunel Bridge really well from this side.
So,
I just realised.
look at that.
Right.
Go on.
We have it on very good authority, but feel free to check it. This gorgeous property was where Brunel stayed whilst he was supervising the building of the bridge.
We're going to check that fact out.
Well, it's a gorgeous house anyway.
Yeah.
I love it. I love the arch window. Do you remember that arch window we were going through today?
The round window.
Square window.
I'm not being Humpty Dumpty.
Too close.
So it's not. Well, it started to rain, and it really has started to rain. So I don't know how much more filming we're going to do, but we actually looked at a house up there to buy, but our offer was refused, unfortunately. But not to worry, we got a similar view now. So I'm really sorry that it's jumpy footage, but it's raining, and trying to zoom in and out, the camera's doing its own thing, or the phone is doing its own thing. It'll teach me. Should have brought the GoPro. Anyway, that's the view further back. So this is the view from 4th Street, looking directly over the Tamar Road Bridge. So and if we just spin round, that's looking up 4th Street in Saltash. there is no doubting it. It is that was a very quick turn around, I'm sorry. It is very, very cold. So we're kind of venturing. So we're going to the station, which is nowhere where the car is. But we're going to the station and it's very windy. Oh God, it's windy. What's the view like? Oh, just that bit then. So the view between the two bridges, the road bridge and the rail bridge. I doubt that. I've got no idea if you can hear me, but what a view. So this is the motorised cradle underneath the bridge, which, as you can see, I really don't know if you can hear me. It goes all the way under the bridge so that they can work on it, and it is bitter cold. Just putting in a different position, Oh, it's cold. We've been for a walk. It's very cold. That's it.
We need a bit of this.
I need chocolate.
Keep us alive.
That's it. So I've only.
Oh yeah. Oh. I tell you what, I don't know whether the cat. That phone will pick up the wind here, won't it?
Yeah, well done. So
excuse me.
that was walking around Saltash under the bridge.
There's a lot to see. It's beautiful.
It'd be lovely when the weather's nice. Anyway,
I have changed my coat if anybody's noticed.
I haven't. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.